Getting started with your research. There's a variety of different options open to you when you're looking for information to start at the beginning. If you prefer to use hard copy books, you can go to the third floor in the library and you can access books at the 808 section. This area may be closed off at the moment for refurbishment, so if it is, ask at the information desk and they will get the books for you. Second one here is Sage Publications, and this is available online both on and off the campus. And if you click on this, you'll get access to the thesis, and there's a variety of different information available there for you to help you in writing your thesis. We have a link to our project planner on the Support for Students page on the Working Remotely guide, and that will help you to create a planner to help you focus your time. The two at the bottom here are writing your master's thesis A to Z, and if you click on this link here, it'll give you access to a physical book that you'll have to get in the library. And the second one, writing your thesis faster, is an electronic book which you can access both on and off the campus. A literature review, how do you do it? There's a variety of ways to do it, but this is the best way that we see to do it. What is the purpose of your literature review? You need to find out what information already exists in your field. Identify gaps in the literature. Find other people working in your field and what have they published in it. Identify major seminal works. Identify the main methodologies and research techniques. The ideas, the conclusions, theories, and establish similarities and differences between the different writers and the different experts in this field. Provide a context for your own research and show relationships between these studies and theories. And if you click on the link here, it'll give you access to further information on this topic as well. A literature review is part of a qualitative research process. You have to be systematic and rigorous throughout it, the process. It's a comprehensive search of the key literature. It's not a summary, it's a synthesis and an argument. You identify key trends, gaps in your subject area, and you identify the appropriate methodology. And you can often ask your supervisor here, search for key terms. What phrases, what are the top authors in your subject field, and how often have they been cited? You can use the advanced features in databases such as Scopus to find out the highest cited articles. LIBRARYSEARCH will give you this information as well. So you can find more information on the Sage Publications database, the link given at the bottom of this page. So when you're planning your search strategy, you have to be very specific. What exactly are you trying to find out? You need to develop your research topic and cover all of the specified area. How would you describe the subject? What terminology are you using? What concepts or keywords? What synonyms are you using? Do a quick search to get a sense of what type of material is out there and how it is described, and use the keywords you find from this to do further searching. Search for prominent authors in your field and track their citations. The Web of Science and Scopus databases that we subscribe to are great for this. Identify the useful journals. What are the high impact journals, whether they're print or electronic, and browse those. Are you using academic information, professional, industry or governmental information, and where might that be published? This is a handy guide here, a step-by-step through the process and the different advice. And I've mentioned this briefly before, but you can come back to this and use this page as a guide. The practical advice, you need to start to take notes on relevant articles and annotate these as you're going along. Organize them from the very beginning and know where your information is coming from at all times. Develop the arguments that will drive your literature review and allow you to develop a conclusion. This is your thesis statement. Make an argument for your thesis statement using the literature to back it up and get feedback on what you've written. When we start off by using the research cycle to approach researching a topic, and you can see here the But you have your topic in the middle, you define your research question, identify key concepts, decide on keywords, choose your source, search, and evaluate your results. My colleague Rachel will discuss this in further detail tomorrow. When you're conducting your search on LibrarySearch, this is a bit of a guide here that will help you. You've chosen your topic. What are your keywords? Create your search strategy. Use LibrarySearch on the library homepage as a starting point for your searching. And I would start here as well. There are two search facilities. There's a basic and an advanced search. The basic search is good for browsing a topic. And the advanced search is very good for specific searching. So if you know a particular author or a particular subject area that you want, and you have specific keywords, you can use your advanced search. There are refining tools on the left hand of the screen. You're probably familiar with these, and they'll help you to narrow down your results by date, content, and discipline. And there are other icons that will help you to cite, mail, and save your results. So some of the advanced searching tips that we have, you can use and, or, and not. And these are Boolean operators. They are to help you in your searching. So and will be much more specific, and it'll bring up two words that are used together. Or will broaden out a search. So if I was looking for something to do with young people, I might say teenagers or youth or young adult. And this is where your synonyms will come in handy as well. Not will narrow a search by excluding something from the search. I'm searching for special education in Ireland, not Northern Ireland. I don't want anything to do with Northern Ireland. So you can use phrase searching as well, and enclose your search in either inverted commas or brackets. Truncation is when you use an asterisk, and we mentioned this in earlier. MANG, and the asterisk will find manager, management, managers, managing. Use a wildcard to replace one character. You can see here where we put the wildcard in for woman, and it finds both woman and women, the plural and the single. And decide on your time scale. Is it the last 5 or 10 years that you're looking for? You're looking for the most up-to-date information. And decide on what type of material do you need to exclude reports, theses, book reviews, different items like that. Some of the challenges that you'll come across: where do I start? What sources and keywords should I include or exclude? Or when are you finished focusing on your research question? And a variety of guides are available on the library website under support and training. So do check that out.